Hey fashion lovers, welcome back to my channel. I am Oluwadamilare and I'm so happy to be back here again. The Love in Every Word Part 2 premiere was a fashion extravaganza. Here are some standout styles. Bambam served up bridal inspiration with a modern cultural rooted look featuring a fitted red lace top, patterned wrapper and coral beads. Omoni Oboli, the producer and the filmmaker, rocked a stunning corseted top with purple and gold sequins, patterned with a matching wrapper and striking gele. We have Sandra, we have Ifoma Okeke, bright red ensemble with golden patterns, coral beads and off-shoulder styles made a bold statement. Sophie Chisom and Brian Okoye added to the fashion frenzy with their unique, stylish look. The event showcased a beautiful blend of traditional and modern Nigerian fashion, with guests embracing their cultural heritage through bright, vibrant colors, intricate patterns, and elegant designs. For more beautiful videos like this, please like, subscribe, share with your friends and family. See you on my next video for more. Bye.